Hey everyone, welcome back. If you've ever wanted your website to reach audiences who speak different languages, today's tutorial is exactly what you need. We're going to walk through, step by step, how to get started with multilingual support on Wix Studio. By the end of this video, you'll have your site set up to automatically translate content so it's accessible to visitors from all over the world. Let's dive right in. The first thing you'll need to do is open your Wix Studio editor. Once you're in, we're going to add a new feature to your site, multilingual support. To do this, head over to the Add Element option. Take your time here, don't rush. With Wix Studio's interface, it can be easy to skim past options, but you want to look for the menu that appears when you hover below the Add Element area. When you see the multilingual feature pop up, click to select it, then add it to your set. This unlocks the language functions for your site and is a bit like adding a new toolbox that will help you communicate with even more visitors. Next, you'll be prompted to pick your main site language. This step is important because everything else will use your primary language as the base for translation. For example, if most of your content is in English, you'll want to select English here. This ensures the translations later on are accurate and reference your main content. Click Confirm default language once you've chosen. This sets your foundation. Now, you can add a secondary site language. Maybe you have visitors from Spain and Brazil or Germany. Here's where you start meeting their needs. You're not limited to just one extra language, so if you have a diverse audience, feel free to add more languages later when you're ready. Don't worry if you're not sure which languages to set up right now. Wix makes it easy to come back and update your choices as your audience grows. After adding the languages, you'll want to make your site language visible right away. This is the step that actually puts the language menu in front of your visitors, so they can pick the version that suits them best. Imagine walking into a hotel lobby and seeing welcome signs in multiple languages. It makes everyone feel at home, and you're providing the same experience online. Here comes a really handy feature: auto-translate site content. With just a click, Wix Studio starts translating your existing content into your chosen languages. This part might take a few moments, especially if your site is packed with information, but let the process work its magic. The auto-translate tool does a great job with most standard content, so if you're worried about the accuracy, just remember you can always fine-tune translations later. Once it's finished, hit Add Language. Let's bounce back to the Studio editor to continue setting things up. Again, go to Add Element, but this time, in the Multilingual section, look for the Language menu option. Adding this creates a drop-down or navigation menu so your visitors can switch between languages easily. It's a small thing that makes a big difference. Think of it like putting international signs up in a local business, helping everyone feel included. Once you've checked everything and you're happy with your setup, it's time to click the Publish button. This is your final commitment. You're now opening your virtual doors to a global audience. As soon as your site is live, go ahead and visit it yourself. Try out the language menu to see how everything looks and feels for your visitors. Test a few language switches and make sure all your important content is clear in each version. It's a good way to double-check and see the results of your hard work. And that's it. You've set up multilingual support on Wix Studio. If you found this tutorial helpful, drop a like below and let me know in the comments if you have any questions or run into something tricky. Don't forget to subscribe for more easy-to-follow tutorials, and I'll see you in the next video.